In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the font style of your Instagram bio. So we're first going to head over to our Instagram application, and if you head over to your profile page and select Edit Profile, you can see down here in bio, we can add our own custom text. Now, there is no way to change the font style directly in the Instagram app. So what you need to do instead is head over to an internet browser, and from your search engine, you're just going to type in text space generator. Now, this should pop up with the website at the top, lingojam.com. Click on this. And now all we're simply going to do is type in the text that we want to use for our Instagram bio. So I'm just going to type in, here is my bio, and then click on done in the bottom right hand side. And then if you scroll down in this bottom section, you'll see all of this custom fonts that we can use for our Instagram bio. So what you need to do is just select the font that you like the look of. So let's take this one for example. And then what we're going to do is just select the text that you want to copy and then click on the copy button. Head back over to the Instagram application, select bio, and then delete whatever you have currently in here, and then just paste the new text that we copied and hit done. And now, as you can see, if I head back over to my bio page, you can see we've added this custom font, and it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments, and I'll see you with the next one.